The PLK A4 DTF printer with XP600 printhead and roll feeder is a powerful and versatile solution for anyone interested in direct-to-film printing. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this DTF printer in the description below at the latest price. This upgraded A4 DTF printer features a white ink stirring system and a semi-automatic cleaning mechanism designed to prevent clogging and ensure consistent, high-quality prints every time. Its ability to print on both rolls and sheets up to A4 size offers exceptional flexibility, catering to both beginners and professionals looking for efficient batch or on-demand printing. Equipped with the advanced XP600 printhead, this printer delivers a printing resolution of 1440 by 1440 dots per inch, resulting in vibrant and precise color reproduction. Compared to older printheads like the L1800 or L805, the XP600 boosts printing speed while maintaining excellent detail, making it ideal for producing bright, durable prints on various fabric types. From cotton and cotton blends to polyester and athletic mesh fabrics, the PLK A4 DTF printer supports a wide range of textiles, including t-shirts, bags, hats, jeans, socks, and even shoes. Its 100% transfer rate ensures that your designs are transferred flawlessly, giving your finished products a professional look and feel. The package includes everything needed to get started: the printer itself, a heat oven for curing prints, a 100-meter roll of DTF film, and 5 250 milliliters bottles of CMYK plus white ink. Comprehensive instructional videos help guide users through setup and operation, making it easier to achieve the best results. Additionally, this printer is compatible with Windows computers and comes backed by a dedicated support team offering remote assistance to troubleshoot any issues. Its compact design and robust functionality make it an excellent choice for small businesses, hobbyists, and creative entrepreneurs aiming to expand their printing capabilities. Overall, the PLK A4 DTF printer offers an outstanding combination of reliability, speed, and versatility. Whether producing custom apparel or promotional products, this printer streamlines the printing process while delivering eye-catching, long-lasting prints. The included consumables and detailed instructions make it a complete solution that empowers users to bring their creative ideas to life with ease and confidence.